Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Parenting and Preschool Picasso. So today we are going to do some of the matching exercises and an activity at last. So first exercise is shape matching. I have taken many shapes like circle, triangle, square, star, diamond and happy. So what your child needs to do, they can match the similar shapes like circle to circle, star to star, triangle to triangle, diamond to diamond and happy to happy. Now in my next exercise I have taken match home with its color. I have taken homes of color like pink, blue, orange and yellow. So what child needs to do, they can match colors from pink to pink, blue to blue, yellow to yellow and orange to orange. Likewise, you can take many shapes whichever you want. In my next exercise, I have taken match the other half. So here I have taken three shapes, flower, sun and triangle. I have made left hand side and right hand side of the images. So your child can match the images like this. In this way, they can know the knowledge of images. In my next exercise, I have taken match pictures with its shadows. I have taken three pictures, shirt, car and grapes, and I have also made the shadows of the same. And your child can match shirt picture to its shadow, car to its car and grapes to grapes. Now I have taken fishes. I have made the patterns on the tails of fish and similarly I have taken the patterns on the bowls. What your child needs to do, they needs to match the pattern on the tail of the fish to the pattern on the bowl, like sleeping line to sleeping line, slanting to slanting and curve to curve. This is also one of the exercises. Now in my next exercise I have taken horizontal and vertical shapes, rectangle, triangle and oval. You can take any shape you want. So your child needs to match horizontal shapes to its vertical shape. So rectangle to rectangle, now triangle to triangle and oval to oval. In my next exercise, what I have done is I have taken the modes of transport, that is boat, aeroplane and car, and simultaneously the mode through which they get transported. So boat transport through water, aeroplane through sky and car through road. In my next exercise, I have taken match the correct combination. So three combinations I have taken and the child needs to match the three combination, red, blue and blue. In my next exercise, I have taken the medium, small and large size stars. So what child needs to do, they needs to match medium to medium, small to small and large to large. In my next exercise, I have taken the combinations. I have taken that when it's raining we need to take umbrella, when it's sunny outside we need to wear glasses, and when it's snowy we can make a snowman. So likewise child needs to match these figures. Now in my next exercise I have taken match pictures. So I have taken a house shape and simultaneously I have made some shapes, circle, triangle and square, and child needs to match these shapes. Now in my next exercise I have taken match some patterns. I have taken dots, slanting line, sleeping line and standing line. Simultaneously I have taken it on the right half. So child needs to match dots with dots, slanting to slanting, sleeping to sleeping and standing to standing. Now in my next exercise I have taken 2, 3, 1 and 4 shapes like this. Similarly I have taken 1, 2, 4, 3 but different shapes. Like I have taken number of count is 2, but I have taken circles here, and number of count is 2 and I have taken triangle here, and I need to match this. Likewise 3 to 3, 1 to 1 and 4 to 4. Now what I have taken here is opposites. Like day is sunny and night consists of stars and moon. Happy, sad, something is inside the glass, something is outside the glass. Now my glass is empty, my glass is full. Likewise your child can know about the opposites. Elephant is big, butterfly is small, ball is up, ball is down. Giraffe is tall, caterpillar is small. Coffee is hot, ice cream is cold. Now there is a time for an activity. So here I have drawn a butterfly and made some shapes like rhombus, oval, triangle, star, diamond and circle. Now what I have done is, I have taken a shapes like this. I have drawn it on medicine bottle caps. If you have seen my previous videos, on the same similar caps I have drawn numbers so that child can identify different numbers. So likewise I have drawn all the shapes for my child, and child needs to draw it. So like I have taken this like diamond to diamond, star to star, triangle to triangle, rhombus to rhombus, circle to circle, and this is oval. Okay, so this is my one of the following activity. Now what I have done in my next activity, I have taken this type of sheet. For arrows recognition, I have made all the 4 arrows, and similarly I have drawn arrow on caps. So what child needs to do? Child needs to put up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Now next activity I have done, like I have taken all the shapes and I have drawn it on the piece of paper with foam on the other side like this. So oval to oval, rhombus to rhombus, triangle to triangle and star to star. So if you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel, and if you want more videos like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. If you want PDF of this file, please let me know. I'll provide you. Thank you. Bye bye.